Meet the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, the Formula One of 3D printers. Fully automatic bed leveling, because who has time for manual squinting? One click and you're off to the races. No more fiddling. Print size, a generous 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters. That's enough space for a small army of action figures. Ultra-fast printing, 600 millimeters per second. Blink and you'll miss it. 2000 mm S2 acceleration. This printer's got more kick than espresso. CoreXY structure keeps everything stable, even at warp speed. No more waiting eons for your prototype to finish. From 0 to 200 degrees in just 35 seconds. Hot stuff, literally. Quick 3-second nozzle swaps, faster than changing TV channels. High-flow 32mm 3S nozzle, for when you want quantity and quality. Dual-sided PEI platform means prints pop off like toast from a toaster. Multiple nozzle sizes, 0.25 to 0.8 mm. Choose your own adventure. 280-degree direct extruder handles tough filaments like a champ. Dual fan nozzles keep things cool. No more melted messes. Vibration compensation for prints smoother than jazz sax solos. Remote control via FlashMaker app. Print from your couch. Monitor your masterpiece in real time. No more surprises. Intelligent operation. This printer's got more brains than a trivia team. Perfect for 3D printing enthusiasts who dream in layers. Professional designers, cut your prototyping time down to size. Educators, wow your students with lightning-fast results. Automatic bed leveling means flawless first layers every time. Consistent adhesion, no more prints peeling off like old wallpaper. Save time, save effort, save your sanity. Ideal for rapid prototyping and even mass production. Stable high-speed printing, because shaky prints are so last decade. Versatile platform adapts to all your creative whims. Easy print removal, no chisels or crowbars required. Maintenance? Just clean the nozzle and platform regularly. Trouble? Check the A+ FAQ. It's like a printer therapist. This machine doesn't just print, it performs. Every stat is backed by real engineering muscle. No marketing fluff, just pure printing power. Print faster, smarter, and with more confidence. From cosplay props to classroom models, unleash your creativity. Remote monitoring means you can multitask like a pro. No more babysitting your printer. Let the app do it. Say goodbye to failed prints and wasted time. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, the future of 3D printing today. Ready, set, print at speeds that'll blow your socks off.